Let's make something easy today. I'm going to use some tater tots, some golden mushroom soup, some ground beef, Italian seasoning, some dried minced onion, some garlic salt, some black pepper, and let's get started. I'm going to bake this in a 9 by 13 pan, 9 inches by 13 inches. I have the ground beef I have it in here. I'm going to sprinkle it with garlic salt. You know, if you've never tried this Lowry's garlic salt, it is really good. I would use anywhere from about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of the garlic salt. And some black pepper. Italian seasoning. That came out a little heavier, but that should be fine. Some of the onions. Not too much of those. They're pretty strong actually. Now we're going to press this down and make it flat. I have thought about, but never done it, putting vegetables in here too, like a can of green beans that are drained, or two, or even fresh green beans you could use, or frozen, on top of the next layer. I'm going to put the soup on top. Again, I'm using the golden mushroom and spread this out. And then on top of the soup I would put the vegetables. You know, you could use frozen mixed vegetables if you wish. I did use a little over 1.5 pounds of ground beef. You need at least 1.5 pounds. Put your potato tots on there. And this goes in my 350 degree oven. Here it is out of the oven. It baked for 1 hour. We're going to let it cool down for 10 minutes or so. I forgot to mention that you can put cheese on top of this. And I prefer to put the cheese on last after it's baked. Then put it back into the oven until the cheese melts. Let's get some of the casserole on our dish. Like that. Let's have a bite. It's good. It's actually very good. Very nice. Kids would love this, and I think you would too. It's a great way, easy meal. And thank you so much for watching.